Hello friends and welcome to a lecture on Python. Today we will look into if-else statements. In an if-else statement, there is a test expression. If the test expression is true, then a body of code is executed. This is the body of when the if is true, body of code or lines of code if test expression is true. Now, if the test expression is false, then a body of else is executed, right? Now, let's look at a demonstration of the if-else statement. So, let's take two numbers. Number 1 is equal to 23 and number 2 is equal to 45. Let's take the positive difference of the two numbers. That's right. And we put the if statement now. If number 1 is greater than number 2, then positive difference is equal to number 1 minus number 2. Then we write else and we copy this down. Is equal to number 2 minus number 1. And then we print the result. So that's it. Now we run this piece of code. And as you can see here, it has taken the positive difference. Now let me reverse the numbers. So let me take a number as 67 and the second number as 44. And let's run this piece of code. And there we are. We always get the positive difference. So this was all about how we execute the if-else statement. Now there are a number of conditions that we can put. We can put greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, and equal to. Now an example of all these conditions has been given in the link which is shown in the card above, and the link is also shown below. So that was all about the if-else statement, and have a great day guys. Goodbye. Keep watching and subscribe my videos. Bye.